Hey. Hey. And okay. Here we go. Yeah. He's number one. This is like one vlog. Oh, gotta make sure my money's there. Gotta make sure my motherfucking money's there. So today I'm gonna go. That would have been bad. Yeah. I'm gonna go pay my bills. I'm gonna go pay my bills. Cars are so fucking trash. Come on, baby. You ready yet? You warm? You fucking warm? So basically, I'm gonna go and explain the type of shit that I do once I do it. So right now, I am off to the bank to deposit. I gotta deposit the bank. Damn, it's hot. So the type of shit that I do, I have a couple businesses, I have a couple cars, a few cars. I also do stocks. I also do a bunch of other stuff on the side, just to make gigs and little investments, keep my hands busy. So right now I'm going to go and pay for some car work that was done for my IS300. Let's go pay. Picasso Auto Body. I fuck with these guys. Oh look, it's my dad's car that got in a hit and run. Cash. Shit car. Yeah, I know. Look, here's a fucking clean car.
Everything inside nice. Look.
So, buddy, how you doing?
Blitz and Megarachi.
Yeah, that was my cousin. They're cool. My dad's car is not cool. That was that white one. That thing is a fucking piece of shit. He does not take care of that car at all. So I have a 97 Targa top Supra that never gets fucking worked on at all. It sucks, but it is what it is. I have a 92 SC300 with a 2JZ motor. That one is currently getting worked on. I am trying to fucking finish that up. It's taking a boatload. And of course, we have the IS300 with the 2JZ Supra, fully built. There's a minor kind of things that I have to do to it, but that thing is ready rocking, and I love it. How much I drive? This car was a 2020, and I have 40,000 miles. A 2020, I got this in March. Now, getting to my smoke shop. Oh, what's up, buddy? What do you mean?
Someone's car got stolen, bro.
Delivering them China packages. Oh. China. This is one of my fucking stores that I have. It is a smoke shop. It is here in Fontana. We also have a CBD company, which I sell to a bunch of other stores, and a fucking liquor store, which I'm trying to open up really bad, but the inspections, it's killing me. It's fucking literally killing me. But make sure you follow us, so I will always post some new shit, because I'm getting kind of used to this. Oh, here we go. But yeah, I always post dumb shit. Follow me, or not. Yeah.